welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to say thank you. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mayo Dada. If this is your first time, well, I don't even know why I'm saying that again. Anyways, so for today's video, I decided to show you guys how I achieved this hair color on my hair. I don't know why I'm wearing orange right now. It's so, I don't know, but this wasn't what I wanted to wear. I just picked it up in my closet and I was like, let me wear this. I've not worn it on my channel before, so I'm so awkward. Anyways, let's get right into today's video. I used Unice hair and I got 3 bundles. The first thing I did was lighten the hair, and by doing that I mixed my 40 developer with my BW2 powder and mixed it properly and applied it to the hair. I wasn't really particular about how I wanted it to be applied there because I genuinely wanted color variants. I just wanted it to look like, I just wanted it to look really simple. I wasn't really particular about how I really wanted it to look like, basically. After doing that, after I made sure that I combed right through it just to make sure that it's evenly distributed. Not evenly, like I said, I didn't really want it to be evenly distributed, just to make sure that the bleach sinks in or soaks in properly into the hair. But you get what I mean. And then right after that, I kept the hair in foil paper. I used aluminium foil paper just because I wanted to speed up the whole process, and then I waited for like 15 minutes. But yeah, I used Isoplus to rinse off the bleach from the hair just to make sure I neutralize the hair, basically. I mixed a good amount of my Tresemme conditioner with the hair dye, and I used the cinnamon and the Cajun spice. I mixed the whole bottle of the cinnamon together with half of the Cajun spice. It depends on how dark you want your hair to look like, but I particularly was going for a more light kind of hair, not too dark, not too light. So I just mixed the two of them together and then I started applying it to the hair. I wasn't really particular about the way I was applying it to the hair because I didn't want highlights or any of that, because I just felt like the color was already enough for me. So it depends on what you want, and then you could change it up and make sure some places are brighter than the other. But me in particular, I wanted mine to be different, and then I left the hair to dye for like 20 minutes or 30 minutes. I'm not sure, I can't remember. It's been a while since I last filmed this video. I filmed this video in November and now it's December and I'm trying to edit this video, so it's like I'm trying to remember everything that I did. So I waited for like 20 to 30 minutes before I rinsed the dye off of the hair, and I didn't really use anything else, so yeah. Anyways, I really hope you guys had a nice time. It's a nice time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the little bell button, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and add me on Snapchat. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.